Hello guys, welcome to QB365 YouTube channel. In that last video, we are discussing about 12th standard mathematics case study questions. So now we are looking for next subject, physics. So yesterday I explained the importance of case study questions, and also I am repeated it today. The case study questions are the most updated question pattern in CBSE from last year 2020 itself. So it will be in a bigger part of upcoming 2021 public exams. So the students have no clue about that case study questions. So we are QB62 providing so more number of creating questions with solutions, which is very helpful for students to make exam in a superb way. Okay, now we are seeing about 12th standard physics case study questions. Exactly the case study questions are same for all the kind of subjects, like they are providing one paragraph for one image. So based on that particular image or paragraph, they will asking around 4 to 5 questions. So for if you attend that 4 to 5 questions, means you have to read well in paragraph or else image, whatever the are asking in a question section. So straightly move on to the first question. The first question is Coulomb's law state that electrostatic force of attraction or repulsion acting between two stationary point charges in given by. So F equal to some equations are there and followed by one diagram. So you just look at it, the follow by the diagram, they giving something just for it, where F denotes the force between two charges of Q1 and Q2. So you are trying to understand what the things are saying. Okay, you need to know about that particular image. Okay, the separated by a distance are in free space. So E epsilon is a constant known as permittivity of free space. So free space is a vacuum and may be taken to be air practically. So if free space is replaced by the medium, then E epsilon is replaced by E epsilon k, or else something where k is known as dielectric constant or relative permittivity. Okay, so this is the questions. Yeah, just look at that. They are asking 4 different questions based on above paragraph. The first one is electrostatic force acting between the two charges. So you can just follow the above paragraph, then only you can get the perfect answer for it. Okay, you can just look at that. The first one fully based on above paragraph. I can just scroll down. You can see the first answer, first question answers. They will asking 5 different questions, and followed by the options. So below that we are providing the detailed solution for the above question. So we provide everything, right? The first question, the answer is one for B. The second one is answer is C. The third one is answer B. You can just take it as a like 1 mark section, like an MCQ pattern. The fourth one also we just give it as a explanation, f of function is equal to, and then as a fifth one it will be in a B. The B option is Newton's law of gravitation. For the first one, we just providing the answer of B. For first question, the proportionally constant k depends upon the nature of the medium between the two charges. You can just look at it for the second one, sorry, first one, the B option, the nature of the medium between the two charges. So for the every case study questions, QB365 provide that detailed solution for them. So using that kind of platform will help for your understanding of case study. So what is case study? You just need understanding first. So what is case study, and what is the outlet of case study, and what is the mark pattern of case study? Then only you can attend the case study with a superb knowledge. Okay, you can just follow the PDF. If you want to download the PDF, means I just forward the PDF downloadable link in the video description. You can get it and download it. Okay, followed by the first question. I can just scroll down the second question. So the same scenario for the first question as well for the second one. So around, I think this PDF contain around 10 to 15 questions. The most of the things and outlet and mark pattern is common, but the differentiation of questions will be different. Okay, for that you have to read and check it all the questions in PDF. Okay, I just scroll down. You can just see what are all the things taken by the case study. Okay, so in QB365 channel, not only we are providing case study questions and solution, so we are having the study materials for class 6 to 12 for all the subjects. Okay, not only the case study, we just providing all the kind of NCRT solutions for all the kind of authors also, like an R.D. Sharma, Naras, and all, and creative questions with detailed solution, and the based on heart and value based questions, and also providing the previous year papers and previous year questions along with the last 15 years. Okay, you can just follow our study material blog also. I just given a study material blog link below in the description. You can just follow. You can get it complete study material for your standard and subject. This PDF contain around 15 pages, like most of 10 to 15 questions. You can just read. You can just download the PDF, and you can read it peacefully in your own time. Okay, I just scroll down what are all the question types having in a case study questions, like physics, in a physics. So this is the part 1 case study questions. So we, as soon as possible, we are uploading the part 2 of case study questions of physics subject. You can just follow our YouTube channel. It will be more useful for your exam point of view. You can just subscribe our YouTube channel, and also like and comment for our most welcome. Okay, you can just download the PDF and get it for it. In the short of time, we will plan to launch the exam preparation apps by QB365, which is mainly focused for exam preparation point for CBSE and Tamil Nadu State Board students starting from class 6 and class 12. So in that application, we have everything for your exam point of view, like a practice test and analysis and reports and all the things for which is related to your subject. So I'm also providing the each and every study material which is related to your subjects and chapters and your standard. Okay, like what are the study materials means, starting from syllabus and NCRT books, and also the differentiate of previous year question papers, and also heart and value based questions, and authors solution, different author solutions, like for an example, for a 12th standard max means, for an NCRT questions and solutions, some more authors are providing, like R.S. Agarwal and R.D. Sharma. All those author solutions will be come under by QB365 in the mode of mobile application. We will launch as soon as possible. You can just follow our YouTube channel, and you can just follow our study material page. It will be more helpful for your exam point of view and study point of view. Okay, if you have any doubt which is related to PDF, you can just ping it as a comment. We will definitely react to that. So eighth page is the eighth question, like uh, it, it it contains the same as a paragraph. A stationary charge produces only an electric field while a charge in a uniform motion. It's a question with a diagram. So based on that questions and diagram, they are asking 5 different questions. So below that, QB provide detailed explanation with answer. Okay, you can just follow and subscribe our QB YouTube channel. If you want to download the PDF link, click on the description. You can get it a downloadable PDF link. Click that link, you can get it the PDF and check it over it. So followed by maths and physics subject, we will provide case study questions for all the kind of subjects in the class 12 and class 10 and class 11 when they as soon as possible. Okay, that's it guys. No worry about the newly updated pattern like a case study. You can just follow our YouTube channel. You can get clear ideas about that. It's not a big issue. It's the same like as other question pattern. You can don't worry about particularly on case study. If you get complete knowledge about complete knowledge in particular chapter, you have to very easy to understand case study and crack easy case study question. Around 13 the question just we followed. Totally we have 15 questions with detailed solution in a part 1 for with all the chapters. So in yesterday itself we receiving a comment like you can just they want chapter wise case study questions. We ready to provide that as soon as possible. So once we complete all the subject case study questions like a part 1 and part 2, then we will upload chapter wise case study questions also. Okay, and thank you so much for your watching and thank you so support and thank you so much for your watching. And if not any till now you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel. It will be more useful in your exam point of view. Okay, thank you so much for your watching and thank you so much for your support. Until for the next video, bye bye from QB365.